welcome back to the channel, E-Crew. As you know by now, reading the title, I'm pretty much ready to let go of this really unique electric bike, air rumble frame with an Ariel Rider X Class 52 volts motor. I've had this bike for pretty much a year now, and a lot of the times I don't really use it because it's such a large bike. I can't really transport it around. It's like a motorcycle-sized bike, and it sits pretty high up. It's not the shortest bike, but it is very comfortable, surprisingly comfortable, because the suspensions are really good, front and the rear. Just go around our neighborhood right now really quick, take some photos, list it up on Facebook Marketplace, see how much it goes for. But I think I'm going to start the price at $1,700, which is not bad at all for for a full suspension up modded electric bike. Really decent components and a really good frame for like making it for a project bike. Perfect for like a 72 volt conversion, if not higher. Pretty much doing like a last ride kind of deal. Checking everything that works. Has PAS going. Has everything you need. Looks like I'm getting 31 miles per hour top speed. I lost top speed as soon as I put Shinko tires on, which is fine. I'd rather have flat protection than not on this bike. But we'll try to park somewhere, do a little bit of walkthrough, take some pictures and sell this bike. I don't really have enough space in the garage anymore. Alright, this is like the spot that I like to take a break somewhere here. This is where I pretty much take pictures of the bikes that I'm planning on selling. Alright, so this is pretty much a walkthrough of this bike. I added signal lights, cycle wing lights, my nice moto mirrors. It's about 600 miles already. Goes about 31 miles per hour. Goes about 30-mile range depending on your weight and how aggressive you ride it. Shinko moto tires front and rear. It's a little bit of a mullet setup. The wheels are smaller in the rear than it is in the front. Dual hydraulic brakes. It is a single gear, however. There's really no point in shifting gears on this type of bike of this size and weight, but it's a perfect bike to upgrade. You could see how much battery space it would have for a triangle style or for a custom style battery. But yeah, it's a rare bike. I'm going to miss it. I definitely love the look of it. It's such an industrial kind of theme going on, and I think $1,700 is a fair price. We'll see how much we can get for it, but I'm pretty sure an e-bike enthusiast would pick it up for upgrading it, for sure. In my opinion, I think that's what they'll do. But that's going to be in today's quick vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.